The first quarter of the class is all about safety and machines. And then we spend the last about 8 weeks going through 4 different labs. So the students get dedicated time in small groups working on welding, machining, sheet metal fabrication, and metal casting. They're getting the foundational skills here, and then they can take those skills directly into the workforce. They can do that.
I'm wanting to go into engineering for college, and I definitely think it's let me grow my creative side a little bit more, because I'm thinking outside of the box on how I can use the different tools to make different things and different ways to use the tools in ways you wouldn't think about using them.
In order to get good at this stuff, you have to have hands-on experiences with it. So we spend very little time doing like theory type things and more getting hands-on and building those trade skills.
It's a really fun class. It's not too difficult. He'll teach you the basics. If after high school I decide to do a trade that has to do with metals, I'll know the ground basics and can just go right into it.
My favorite part is being able to see the students take something and build from nothing. Last year we got to help with the rejuvenation of the touchdown bell. So that was an example of an outside project that students got to work on. It's really cool to see.
For me, it meant more to me than just a class. Brown explained it as like a job. If you're late to a job, you're not going to get a good sense of reputation for you to your boss. Taking instructions and applying it instead of writing it down, he made it more like a work site and a job rather than a class.